Chief Meteorologist Wade Hampton joining us with weather. Rinse and repeat.
Yes, absolutely. More clouds around again, but thankfully not a repeat of 5 years ago. You may remember this exactly 5 years ago. We had a little bit of snowfall. In fact, the most ever in the month of December. I'll show you a few more pictures and talk about our forecast right after this.
Now, your pinpoint forecast with Chief Meteorologist Wade Hampton.
Well, again, on this date 5 years ago, we were dealing with a winter wonderland here in southwest Louisiana. Officially, 4/10 of an inch of snow fell in Lake Charles, but areas north of I-10 had anywhere from 2 to as much as nearly 6 inches of snow. Thanks to Casey for the picture I showed you before the break from Lake Charles. This one here in the Lake Charles area as well from Haley. There was enough snow to build a little snowman. A mini snowman, but there was enough snow for that. This picture came in from the Ragley area from Tracy. You can see some of the snow that was covering the ground, and the horses having to deal with that back in 08. But again, nothing like that outside now, and I've already been asked a few times on Facebook, do I see any snow in our future? The answer to that is no, at least not in the next 7 days. Beyond that, it's anyone's guess as to what could happen in the rest of the upcoming winter. Certainly been a crazy one thus far with all the cold and dreary conditions we've seen already a lot here in just this month of December. And tonight it is going to be chilly either way you look at it, but more changes come in Friday. We'll actually see a warm up in temperatures, but rain chances return as well, and some of that's going to linger into the weekend. Mentioned the clouds. Yeah, they returned as well this morning. In fact, starting in this morning and continued through the afternoon hours, and honestly, I think they're going to continue overnight tonight too. They're actually helping to keep temperatures a little warmer right now, but still think those temperatures will drop tonight. Already down to 44 degrees for Faye Jones in Oakdale, 47 to the airport just down the road from her, same temperature at Fort Polk. And even at the coast, temperatures just not a lot of variability north to south. Again, that's a factor of all the clouds around keeping temperatures up, but there is a weak cold front just to our north, and that should move through later on this evening. It's not going to make it any colder, but it will reinforce the cool air in place. So temperatures tonight, I still expect low to mid 30s across the area despite the clouds. In fact, if the clouds would clear, it would likely be even colder than this. But again, I do expect the clouds to stick around. And the water vapor tells us exactly why we have the clouds. They don't show this to you all the time, but it spells it out quite nicely. Anywhere you see gray to especially green shades shows us moisture in the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere. And we have plenty of that streaming in from the southwest right over top of southwest Louisiana, meaning the clouds are not really going away anytime soon. Futurecast shows our weak cold front that I mentioned now over southwest Louisiana. It moves on through, and again, that reinforcing shot of cool air comes in, but the high pressure behind it moves on to the east, excuse me, and we'll see the high pressure move off to the east. That means a gradual warm-up as we head into Friday, and the next cold front brings another round of rain that starts on Friday, continuing into Saturday. So tonight, partly cloudy, so at least mostly cloudy and very chilly. Temperatures in the 30s. No rain tomorrow, but rain is going to return on Friday by the afternoon when that front approaches. Showers continue into the morning Saturday. Sunday is going to be the better of the two weekend days. The sun will return, so kind of an up and down forecast still.
Up and down. All right. Thank you, Wade.